Hey guys, so we've come to check up on the tumbler. I'm just going to show you the tweaks that I've made, and we're going to have a look at some of the rocks after it's been going for about 4 days straight now. So after running it a few times over a few days, it did tend to stop when we had this container on there. I think because of the weight, and also because it was a very awkward, it's not very well balanced, especially on the inside. There's actually a shallower bit at the top, so a lot of the rocks get pushed to one side, so it was probably causing a bit of friction as it was pushing up against this wheel, and it kept sort of jumping around a bit. So it's important to make sure that the containers that you use, guys, have a really even surface on them, and the rocks are distributed evenly within the container. The less strain and less friction you put on the motor of these things allow it to run 24/7. So I've been able to run this for 24/7 for now 3 to 4 days, and it's been going very nicely. I've gotten these metal containers, and I need to see if I can fill those up with more finer tumbles that can go through the next four stages without wearing the containers out. So I got these metal 2 litre containers that will last a bit longer, which would be good for the long haul for the 3, 4, 5 weeks to finish those stones off. So I'll start them in these ones and the bottles, and then we'll move them onto these when they're done a bit of grinding. So yeah, that's the update, guys. In terms of relieving the pressure, putting the treadmill up on this angle, the more angled it is, then the more weight is distributed on the poles rather than the motor. So that'll allow you to actually be able to put more. You can see I've started stacking them up on top. So I do need to put something in place here to stop it from maneuvering off. But I was just testing it out to see if it would actually work, and it does, which is great. So I can actually, if I brought these ones closer together, I can put a container in between there, in there, and in there. So yeah, I might need to rebuild this so it's more aligned, and once I've done that and it's actually a bit straighter, it could actually tumble quite a bit at one time. So yeah, definitely need to get back to the drawing board, guys, but I'll tune you in once I have a look at how the rocks have been going. And the gem for this video: honesty is the foundation of trust, guys. Always be honest.